Welcome to My Cyber Coach, a video series designed specifically for veterans like you who are considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the series. Today we're going to dive into an exciting and vital area of cybersecurity, ethical hacking. If you're interested in protecting systems from cyber attacks, ethical hacking might just be the career path for you. So let's break it down. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, involves legally testing and assessing the security of systems and networks to find weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. In simple terms, ethical hackers are like good hackers. They're hired by organizations to attempt to break into their systems in order to identify vulnerabilities and fix them before the bad actors, or the black hat hackers, can cause harm. Why is ethical hacking so critical? Well, the number of cyber attacks is growing every day, and hackers are constantly looking for ways to exploit weaknesses in systems. From data breaches to ransomware, cyber threats can have devastating consequences. Ethical hackers play a key role in defending against these threats. By finding and fixing vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can take advantage of them, ethical hackers help secure sensitive information, protect business reputations, and prevent financial losses. So how do you start your journey into ethical hacking? First, you'll need a strong foundation in cybersecurity. This includes understanding things like networking, operating systems, and security protocols. Here's a simple roadmap to get started. Learn the basics. Get familiar with concepts like networking, operating systems, especially Linux, and programming languages like Python and Bash. This is the foundation of ethical hacking. Learn to use tools. Ethical hackers use a variety of tools to assess security. Tools like Kali Linux, Metasploit, and Wireshark are staples in a hacker's toolkit. Get hands-on experience with these to understand how they work. Get certified. Certifications can help validate your skills and make you more attractive to employers. Some great starting points are CompTIA Security Plus, which covers security basics, and the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, which dives deeper into penetration testing techniques. Practice in virtual labs. There are a number of online platforms where you can practice ethical hacking in a safe environment, like TryHackMe, HackTheBox, or even setting up your own virtual machines. These platforms simulate real-world attacks and defense strategies, and allows you to gain hands-on experience. As an ethical hacker, you'll need a combination of technical and problem-solving skills. Networking knowledge. Understanding how networks communicate is crucial for spotting vulnerabilities. Programming and scripting. Languages like Python or Bash are often used to write scripts for automating tasks and exploiting vulnerabilities. Problem solving. Ethical hacking is all about thinking like a hacker, finding creative ways and solutions to bypass defenses. Ethical hacking is an exciting, challenging, and rewarding career in cybersecurity. If you're passionate about security, enjoy solving problems, and want to make a real difference in protecting systems from cybercriminals, ethical hacking could be a perfect fit. So what's next? Start learning, get certified, and practice your skills. It's time to unlock the world of ethical hacking and make your mark in cybersecurity. We'll be here with more videos to guide you every step of the way. Find your perfect role by completing a quick survey at mycyberpath.com and kickstart your cyber career. Thanks for watching My Cyber Coach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.